Hi, good morning and a happy new year to all my subscribers. It's of course Monday the 9th of January 2012. A very good morning to all of you. So on Friday we saw risk markets were chopping. This followed the US employment report. The European markets closed on a weak note with euro debt issues dragging equity indices lower around Europe. This of course aided German bonds higher and also saw the euro trend lower. In spite of this, the US markets and commodities held firmer, leaving a disconnect between the respective markets. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the US job picture continues to improve. Non-farms rose by 412,000 in the final quarter of 2011. Household unemployment rose by another 176,000 last month, and unemployment fell to 8.5% in December. And bear in mind, in December of last year, in December of 2010, unemployment was at 9.4%. Now this picture looks encouraging, and I do hope it continues because it will look to sew up Obama for another 4 more years. Now, we have another critical meeting for Merkel and Sarkozy, especially after last week's collapse in the shares of many major banks in Italy and Spain, and also the continuing pressure for the euro. Now, topics for discussion include how the new fiscal pact will work, how to respond to the implosion in the Spanish and Italian banking systems, a possible transactional financial tax, and how I can secure a date with Christine Legrand. Okay, I made that last one up. No, but Christine, if you're watching, what's up? Now going to the UK, house prices are still falling. According to HBOS, average prices are down another 0.9% last month. Over the past 6 months, house prices has fallen 2% since its peak in mid-2007. Now tell that to my colleague Richard Sidlow, whose home is bucking the trend, so go figure. Nationwide said house prices down by 11% since 2007 peak, and most commentators predict UK house prices will fall further this year. To find out why Mr. Sidlow's home is bucking the trend, emails to inquiries@beta2.co.uk. So for more news and views, please log on to www.beta2.co.uk.